You know, to me, the most beautiful part of this Facebook is that everything is on the record. You know, when you sign up, well, 90, maybe 98% of the time the one who signs up is really the one who is signing up. It's possible that that might be a fictitious account, but I think 99% of the time it will be a real account. Unlike if you're marching there in the streets, a lot of the names there are just, a lot of people there are just faceless people. They're not recorded. They don't put the manifestation in writing, unlike in the case of the Facebook, naka-record ito. And we have numbers. When pag may nag-rally sa Makati, mag-aaway pa yung pulis, yung mga realista, kung ilan nag-attend, sasabihin ng pulis, 5,000 lang. Sasabihin ng organizer, 10,000. But in our case, if we say 70,000, that is 72,000. Exactly. And that is the beautiful part. So, anong airport natin dito? Our airport here is tuloy pa rin. I think we can reach 100,000 by the end of next week. Basta't gawin natin siya, sabi natin, tuloy-tuloy lang, i-post niyo parati, all of us, i-post natin repeatedly, round the clock, yung invitation to join the CONAS advocacy group.
Ako lang, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, is sana pagpatuloy natin yan. Bakit? Kasi kailangan maalam po ng ating mga namumuno, malaman ng Supreme Court, malaman ng military, malaman ng Congress natin. So ano talaga ang damdamin natin na dapat matuloy ang eleksyon, na dapat malinis ang eleksyon, dapat bumoto ang mga voters, mag-register para magkaroon tayo ng magandang pagbabago beginning in June 2010. Yung po nagsasabi na hindi naman nakikinig ay mga yan sa akin, no matter how bad a leader seems to be, I think that in every leader, there is a patriot waiting to be tapped. Kaya lang kailangan marinig nila tayo, invoking them na, oy, it's time for you to be a statesman. It's time for you to make the right decisions for us. That's why you must raise your voice, you must be firm, you must tell them what you want, and I think they will listen. Thank you.
That would lead us to the next steps, no? Ang next steps natin, other than what Congressman said and Commissioner Winston said, bago kumain, meron na tayong Bulacan Facebook eyeball. And this will involve student leaders from different colleges there. Magsisimula tayo in the morning, doon tayo sa Balagtas pa yun? Fairhoff shop. But that would be sometime July 23. June 27, there's a scheduled Cebu Facebook eyeball. Now, yesterday, kino-confirm na ng taga-Ateneo in Davao, they're now going to make arrangements for us to go there. So, schedule na lang kulang. Now, recently, I just read on the comment, Butuan City is asking us to organize, asking us to go there. They're going to organize a Facebook eyeball. Ano ibig sabihin nito? We're not just doing this here in Metro Manila. We're going to go nationwide, telling those people na, hey, makinig kayo sa amin. We're not just a face or words in Facebook. Meron kaming sariling katauhan. In physical, we can go out there. Not as a rallyist, but as a patriot citizens of this country, protecting the sovereignty and the spirit of the 1987 Constitution. Hindi nila pwedeng baguhin yun without asking us or without going to a public hearing. So, yun lang natin. So, continue doing what we're doing. Encourage natin mga kaibigan natin on the next Facebook event to join us nationwide.
Magandang lang, ulitin ko lang ito sinabi ko nung last eyeball natin. Yung ba marami lang. Ulitin ko lang, you know, electronic votes, especially in YouTube, made Arnel Pineda, made Susan Boyd, and made Charis. Electronic votes yan. It was not a personal vote. It was not a case of filling up the American Coliseum, but filling up cyberspace. Kaya pwede natin gawin ang pinakikinggan yan. Believe me, pinakikinggan. Di ba yung sa America, yung American Idol, ganun din eh. Electronic vote din yan.